Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to teach you how to use Nano Banana AI to create stunning designs and all kinds of design. So make sure you watch this video to the end and see for yourself. Alright guys, so to create touch flyer designs using Nano Banana, so we're gonna go through to your your app store or play store and search for Google Gemini. Alright, Google Gemini. Alright, so this is Google Gemini, so you can install to your device, but me right now I already have it here on my device. So go straight to Google Gemini, then you see it right now. So before we start creating it, then you go to any browser of your choice and get the kind of flyer you want to imitate, the kind of church flyer you want to imitate. So I already have one right now in my browser. You can browse for yourself, okay? Just go and Google it to yourself what you like. So but I like this one right now, so I'm gonna screenshot this one that I like right now. So you can screenshot it right now, okay? You crop it to to the original size that it should be. All right, so now the next step is you go to ChatGPT and upload that image. All right, okay, then you say provide a prompt to recreate this kind of church flyer design, okay? Kind of professional, okay? All right, you send it. Alright, this is the prompt right now, so so you just go straight and copy it. Alright, once you copy it, then you go to Gemini and click on that image prompt right now, that image with banana. So paste it. Once you paste it, then go again and add image of the person you want to appear on the flyer. So I'm using this person right here, this model. So you click on it. All right, so then then use a right note. Use the person I have, the model, I mean this should be the model I have uploaded into in this design. All right, so send the prompt. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Now this is how it is. So you can this is what it gives us. So you see, then with this is perfect. So you can also try to keep on changing the prompt to get taste. Then that will give you what you want it to look like. But I think this is okay, for a start. So you can you can edit the prompts. Tell ChatGPT to help you, to give you another prompt like this. So this is exactly how you recreate a flyer, you see. All right, then save it to your device, and this is very simple to do. Okay, now please, if you get value from this video, please try to subscribe to my channel, because I keep on posting these kinds of designs, these kind of videos to you. All right, thank you very much, and see you guys once again. Bye.